Okay, so my subs just randomly stopped working. And as you know, if you have subwoofers, you cannot drive without them. So it had me looking at some crazy things to find a problem. And it ended up being the power wire. The power wire was fried and the connections were trashed. So I just went ahead and redid all that. And it hits way harder than what it should on this setup. So as you can see, this is the new wire I ran. CT Sounds wiring, because I will be getting their subs eventually. But basically it's just running power wire. Ran the wire all underneath here, from here. If you want to try and follow it, I just drilled a hole like near the grommet and ran the remote wire, power wire. And my interior is still apart because I wanted my base back first. There's still a lot I have to do, like tuck all this away. Don't even look at all these wires. Show you that, but if you just have, like, on my CarPlay, only have one subwoofer out, and you can just run one RCA cable, and it'll literally run fine. Okay, so while editing, I kind of forgot to mention what subwoofers I had. I have two 12 Bazooka EL1204 on a caraudio amp, and the amp is only about 400 something watts. I'll put everything in the description. But yeah, there's still a lot I have to clean up. But I mean, the moral of the story: just do it right the first time.